Nestled in the heart of North Norfolk, Holt is a town woven from history, tradition and a quietly creative spirit. But on Sundays, something extraordinary happens. The streets awaken with colour, character and a scent of fresh bread.
Said, hey there, baby, now you're looking pretty fine. Cruising round in that Merc with 49, she was crazy about the Mercury, cruise up and down.
Music weaves through the market, a reminder that this is as much a festival as it is a marketplace. On the first Sunday of each month, the quiet Georgian town of Holt comes alive. This is the Sunday Market, a celebration of creativity, community and Norfolk's finest makers. The market is a regular event that showcases the region's unique features.
You'll find something different every time. We have over 50 stalls, everything from hand-stitched linens to local gin. We want everyone to feel welcome, locals, visitors, young, old. Holt Sunday Market isn't just about shopping. It's about connection.
What sets Holt Sunday Market apart isn't just the variety. Every stallholder is a maker, grower and passionate creator. Holt Sunday Market is a celebration of craftsmanship, community and cultures. From April to December, it draws locals and visitors alike into a tapestry of colour, sound and flavour. From artistic foods to designer crafts, every stall tells a story. Local producers share their passion and visitors discover something new every step.
It's not just about selling, it's about sharing stories. People ask about the glaze, the shape, the inspiration. That connection is what makes Holt special.
I work with recycled materials, often found right here in Norfolk. Each piece has a story.
Are you sub on those projects? Yeah. Does it still work? What, you doing, a repair job or making it up?
No, this is making a lizard.
That's great. A one-eyed lizard. Oh, it's all right.
Bit of fun.
Yeah, great. That's fantastic.
Yeah, something like just go on a wall, I think, something like that.
Yeah. Thank you. Holt Sunday Market is more than commerce. It's a gathering place, a monthly ritual, a living memory in the making.
Got a pair of those. Got a pair of these, have you? 6 weeks.
I hadn't always wanted to be a chef. While I was doing my A-levels, I began baking and cooking more and more, realizing that this excited me far more. When COVID hit, it enabled me to think about what I wanted moving forward, and so Hestia Patseria was born.
Yes, you could if you can get it in. 2 shillings. 25
We are Cocoa Collective, a brother and sister team, crafting artisan chocolate on the North Norfolk coast.
Each batch tastes a little different, depending on what's in flour.
As the sun sets on another Sunday, Holt returns to its quiet self, but the echoes of the market linger, in the handmade mug on your shelf, the chutney in your fridge, the memory of a song that you didn't expect to love. It's more than a market, it's a monthly ritual, a place where music fills the air and strangers become neighbours.